So this is our WingMan 5-step test. We like to see that the autofills, we like to see top 10 are all matching products. We like to see less than 1,000 results. We like to see 8 out of the top 10 have BSR, and BSR is just bestseller rank. We like to see 2 have less than 1 million BSR. And I'll have Nathaniel go a little bit more in depth on this.
So step number 1, like Stephen said, is that it autofills. And so the importance of that is that there are actual customers typing that phrase into Amazon. This might be the most important step, just going and finding places that autofill, because we want to make sure that customers are searching for the types of designs that we are making. So step number 2 is that the top listings all match. And this is because we want to be competing against similar products. We don't want to be putting our shirts and print-on-demand products in areas where dog toys are being sold, for example, because it's hard to sell against dog toys since they're probably going to sell faster than our shirts, but also the customers that are going to landing pages and looking for dog toys are not probably going to be purchasing shirts. Step number 3 is that there's less than 1,000 results, and this is just so that we have less competition to go after. So you saw Stephen niche down from 200,000 to 40,000 to a much smaller niche, but we usually like to aim for less than 1,000 results. We've just found that we have the most success selling against that level of competition. Step number 4 is that 8 out of the top 10 have a BSR, and this just represents that there are sales happening on that landing zone. Step number 5 is kind of a continuation of step number 4, but this is to check that 2 of the top 10 are less than 1 million BSR, because this is showing us that there are monthly sales happening here, and that's really what we want to target in on. So this is giving a place where customers are going. We know that sales are happening, and we know that sales are happening frequently enough because they're selling monthly.